Yes, 88 cents. 787, yes. See, it landed. Wow. Air China. Yeah, that goes a long way. Oh, wow, this is great. This is a 747. Boeing 747. You see the four engines? Four engines. One, two, three, four engines. And you see the double decker? That's a 747. Yeah, you see? That's a big engine. Watch this thing. This thing is huge. Yeah. We're gonna fly that. Uh-oh. We're gonna fly that soon. We got your passport coming, so we're gonna go to Costa Rica or something. Yeah. Look at that. Look how big that thing is, Donna. Wow, Bubba. Yeah. Look at that. It's picking up speed. You see it's very fast. We're going. It's shaking, and the engines are going like this, and it's going like this, and the wheel eventually it goes fast enough, and it's like going up. Wow. That's right. Isn't that nice? See how it flies? It's flying up in the air like this. Look, it's like this. Look. See? Airplane. You like?